Hello everyone, myself Mohin. Our topic of discussion is collection, set, list, and map. So list interface in Java is the sub-interface of Java collection interface. It contains the index-based methods to insert, update, delete, and the search elements. It can have the duplicate elements also. We can also store the null elements in the list. List preserves the insertion order. It allows positional access and insertion of the elements. The set follows the unordered way and it found in java.util package and extend the collection interface in Java. Duplicate item will be ignored and set and will not get print in final output. The Java map interface Java util.map represents a mapping between a key and a value. More specifically, a Java map can store pairs of keys and values. Each key is linked to the specific value. Once stored in a map, we can look after value using just the key. So the difference between list, set, and map in the Java. The list interface allows the duplicate elements. Set does not allow duplicate elements. Map also does not allow duplicate elements. The list maintains insertion order. Set the set does not maintain any insertion order. Map the map does not maintain any insertion order. List we can add any number of null values. Set, but in set almost only one null value. Map allows a single value null key at most and any number of the null values. List implementation classes are array, list, linked list. Set implementation classes are hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. Map implementation classes are hash map, hash table, tree map, and concurrent hash map. And linked hash map list. The link provides get method to the get two elements at a specified index. Set does not provide get method to get the elements at a specified index. The map does not provide get method to the get element at a specified index. List, if you need to access the element frequently by using the index, then we can use the list. Set, if you can create a collection of unique elements, then we can use the set. Okay, thank you.